Hi everybody, I'm Nadia from Mychway. Today I'm gonna share our cool project as well as our hottest project, CaVstorm. Firstly, let me start with how it works. As we know, cavitation machine releasing a strong concentrated sound waves with a frequency of 40,000 Hz. After it entering human bodies, it causes strong impact and friction among fat cells, which can effectively consume energy, water inside cells, and shrink fat cells, even blow it up directly. Secondly, why would I recommend this machine rather than others? First, it uses the newest advanced cavitation third generation with redesigned ultrasonic transducers based on cavitation generation second, with much more stronger energy and save much working time. Take a look at this machine. You could find there are two working handles. This one for vacuum and cavitation, and this one for vacuum and radio frequency. Yes, double function for each handles, which means the rods are doubled accordingly. Thirdly, the usage range is wide. It covers abdomen, waist, arms, back, hips, and legs. Let me take abdomen as an example. Generally, there are only 3 steps. First, take some essential oil and apply it evenly on abdomen and massage. Step 2. Let's start with the storm vacuum. Set appropriate parameters and move the handle on abdomen in circles or in A shape. Then start with the cavitation and radio frequency handle, and back to the drum and start with the storm vacuum and RF radio frequency. Set appropriate parameters and move back and forth, up and down on abdomen. The whole process takes around 16 minutes once a week. In the end, please know that there are contradictions for this machine, like heart disease, diabetes, malignant tumors, and so on. Please do read the instructions carefully before using it. Afterward, safety is always the first. That's it for today's sharing. Thanks for your time.